10 o'clock. And we're leaving Thomas's Donuts. And yeah, I got blueberry and powder donut. No. Yeah, I'm leaving. So hey guys, we just got back and I ate a blueberry donut. And it's 10:47. We're going down to the beach. I would just show you my sunburn from yesterday. Look at this.
It's bad.
That hurts. So yeah, that's spicy. Bye.
For 1, 2, 3 more sandwiches. And there's 2 here, so that's 5 people.
So it's 1:01. We have to come back because it started thundering and storming. And then we're wet because it started raining. It's cold. We was outside, like out there on the chairs. But then it started lightning. So we had to come. So yeah. See you guys later. I'm gonna do this awesome video. Throw this phone to the screen. Hey guys, it's 7:08 And Paisley's taking her bath. Me and Bratstone took ours. And yeah, my mom and dad are outside talking to some random people. Like, oh, we know each other. Oh, it's a small world, you know. Like that. And we're going somewhere to eat because it started raining again, which we made it back to our hotel like before it started raining. But it's like lightning really bad outside. You know, I just have this shirt on and then these pants. And I don't know what shoes I'm wearing. Probably my Chacos because I can't wear those shoes when it's raining. Or at least I can't. Yeah, I'm going to wear my Chacos probably because it's raining. And I'm sunburnt because. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. So, hey guys, it's 8:21. Hey, can I use that as a lot? Come on, I'm gonna lose. We're in the car, and then we're going to eat. Turn your light on.
Hey, that's my
And sorry you can't see me. She's turning the light on, and that's all I really have to say. I have it. Yeah.
And it's raining.
No, it's not. It's just the
Sprinkles.
Yeah. But yeah.
We're sorry if you couldn't see us in the beginning.
Stella's right here.
And where's Lily? I got
But
Lily
yeah.
right here. I'm in the middle
Been
now,
watching
but I was right here.
ASMR videos.
I love bologna.
And she wouldn't stop eating bologna.
I ate the whole pack.
So, yeah, I'll see you guys when we're there. Bye. So, hey guys, it's 8:59 and we're at Hungry Howie's. And if it's red, it's because there's a red light right there. But yeah. And we're at Hungry Howie's. And she has a headache. She does.
You got cheese pizza?
And yeah, and I have Dr. Pepper, but they have Pepsi. Because I don't like Pepsi. So, yeah. And we also have cheese sticks, I think. Breadstick.
Breadstick. Anybody want breadstick?
No. I do. I'll see you guys later. Nope. Yeah, later. So we are in Pineapple Willie's, and it's 9:42.
What?
I'll just show you some. So yeah. So hey guys, we're at Funland. And how am I supposed to say it's wet?
Y'all just stand up together.
And we're taking a picture.
Stand up. Closer together. Cheese doodles, Braxton. Braxton, my phone buddy. Look at it, smile.
And yeah, she got chocolate. He got chocolate dipped in vanilla dipped in chocolate.
And he got vanilla and she got vanilla.
We're a fun one.
Hey. He got vanilla dipped in chocolate.
But yeah. Bye. So hey guys, it's 11:34 and we're back from Funland. We're gonna put my pajamas on and I'm just gonna show you. We got $5 and we played games. And yeah, Paisley got $100. I mean, not $100. 100 tickets. And you saw, I got 100 tickets, but I only gave me one behind her to go.
And it would never stop going until she pulled them out.
Yeah, because it was 100. But I'm gonna show you what I got. I got this little trumpet. This little trumpet. I got a little finger. Hold on. Oh. Ow.
She also got some gum, but she already ate it.
And I got this little spinny thing, and it glows in the dark, and I might show you later.
She also
And
got some gum,
and I
but
got a
she
piece
ate.
of gum. Mine was green, and I ate already. This is Paisley's. And then she got this thingy. Let me try this.
Who eats gum? She just said she
And
ate
then
gum already.
She got the same thing, but mine's a little bit darker. And then, what else? And then a little unicorn.
I would
And
give that to you.
Braxton, I don't know what he got. Where's your stuff? He's getting his.
Hey, Kyle, you can put this with your dog.
Cheers. He got a greenish yellow trumpet. Stop. He got the same thing as me on the spinning thing. Oh! He got a finger too, a piece of gum, and a green spinny top.
And it actually works well.
Okay,
Very well.
but yeah. Oh yeah, I was gonna show you guys what this looks like. Let me charge it.
It turns green.
Oh, does we can get those ones.
Where are these pajamas, Mama?
Can't really tell. Hold on. I'm charging this and showing the peoples.
Peoples.
Hi guys.
I'm just gonna bite my
Occasionally.
finger. Yay.
Turn off the lock.
And shut the door. There's my dog.
It's the kite. Shut the door. Turn off the light.
Seriously annoying how.
You can't see it. There it is. Do you see it? Kind of.
Green.
You can't really tell on camera, but it glows.
Here, let's just
So yeah,
this hole.
turn on the light. Look, I'm gonna clap. It's gonna turn on.
Once
Yeah.
she claps, it's gonna
So
turn
I'll
off.
see you guys tomorrow. Today was our last
Day
day.
at the beach.
Because tomorrow's Labor Day and we have to go home to go to school.
Why don't we go home to Labor Day and go to school?
So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
I'm just